Good afternoon, students. Myself Jitendra Jain from New Step Academy, Karavli. Today we have another class for class 8th. For the topic is our rational number. Earlier we have studied the top day 1 rational numbers. According to this chapter, we have studied about the addition and subtraction of rational numbers. Now we are going for the multiplication. The multiplications must be done in the numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator is there. So now we can say that this is the 2 multiplied with minus 5 divide by, you can take whole divide is also there, denominator, because it is multiplication. Now then 2 multiplied with minus 5 is equal to your minus 10 divide by 7. This is the answer. Now you can also use that denominator is 1 also for your 2. So you can also do this like 2 upon 1 multiplied by minus 5 upon 7, or it may be 2 multiplied with minus 5 divided by 1 multiplied by 7. That may be minus 10 divided by 7. Both way are correct, but you must go for this second method because second method is more appropriate for your problems. Now for this question number 1. Now the first question is minus 4 upon 5 is multiplied with minus 3. Okay, so now first of all we write minus 4 upon 5 is multiplied with minus 3 के डिनोमिनेटर में हम एक नंबर रख लेंगे तो minus 3 डिवाइड बाय 1. Is it clear? Okay. Now multiply both the numerator and both the denominator. Okay. So you just minus 4 multiplied with minus 3 divided by 5 multiplied by 1. As you know that in our addition we are taking LCM, but for multiplication we do not need LCM. Okay, for addition we need LCM, but for multiplication we don't need addition is there. Okay, is it clear? Now the next step is minus 4 multiplied with minus 3. Now minus is multiplied with minus, it may plus, it become plus. Earlier we have studied about this. 4 into 3 equal to 12. Now under 5 multiplied by 1 it is 5. Is it clear? Now we will see the second example. According to this example, you should see that minus 3 divided by 2 is multiplied with minus 9 upon 7. Both are the rational numbers are given. Okay, so you should multiply minus 3 to minus 9, that is your numerators, and 2 to 7, that is your denominators. Okay, now minus 3 multiplied with minus 7 divided by 2 multiplied with 7. Okay, now minus and minus multiply and become plus. 3 multiplied by 9, that is 27, divide by 2 multiplied by 7, it become 14. Is it clear? Now we are going for next page. One more thing, you will see the word is reciprocal. Reciprocal in the sense we can also say it ke inverse. Okay, so what is the reciprocal or inverse? So reciprocal of any number is just opposite number. That means we can say the number is 7 upon minus 5. Is it clear? What is the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 5 is 7 upon minus 5. ने just इस नंबर को अपोजिट किया, 7 अप गया minus 5 डाउन गया. That means denominator is making numerator and numerator is making denominator. Okay, now you can also write this number as minus 7 divided by 5. Okay, you can also write, because the minus can be replaced to upper side. How it replaced, what was the process, it is for your further classes is there, but now you should understand that minus can be transferred to upper side is there. Okay, the reciprocal is minus 7 upon 5. We should use this reciprocal in our division. So now we are going through division. After some time we will also discuss again reciprocal. Now our question is minus 4 upon 9 is divided by 2 upon 3. What we have to do? Now minus 4 is divided by 9. And we have to change this sign of divide. So we should change this sign to multiply and just reciprocal this number. That means you have to just convert this number to 3 by 2. See again, minus 4 upon 9 multiplied with 2 upon 3 की जगह हम कर देंगे 3 upon 2. Okay. Now you can see. Now we have to multiply both numerator and both denominators. Okay. So just write minus 4 multiplied with 3 divided by 9 multiplied with 2. Now minus 4 multiplied by 3, that means this is negative number and this is positive number. So whenever we multiply minus and plus, the result is minus. So you should write here minus sign. 4 multiplied by 3, it is 12, divided by 9 multiplied by 2, 18. Okay. Now we are going. Now you can also give this standard form. How it is? What is standard form? That means some common divisor is, we can see 2. So you should cut this number by 2. 9 into 2s are 18 and 6 into 2s are 12. Again the number is minus 6 divided by 9. Again you should go for standard form, that is divide by 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. So final answer is your minus 2 divided by 3. That is minus 2 divided by 3. Okay. Now we should go for our next question, that is minus 12 divided by 7. The between sign is divide and 3 upon 4. Okay. First of all we have to change this symbol. So we should use the reciprocal of 3 upon 4. So minus 12 divided by 7 multiplied with 4 upon 3. यहाँ पर हमने इस नंबर को उल्टा कर लिया, तो ये रेसिप्रोकल बनाया, इसका रेसिप्रोकल बनाते ही ये साइन हमारा मल्टीप्लाई का हो गया. ओके. नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज we have to multiply both numerator and we have to multiply both denominators. So both multiplies denominators, numerators are minus 12 multiplied with 4 divided by 7 multiplied with 3. Okay. Now minus 12 multiplied with 4, this is negative number, this is positive number. So again minus is multiplied with plus, the result is minus. 12 multiplied by 4, that is 48. That is divided by 7 3s are 21. There is no common divisor between both the number. We can divide it by 3 because 2 plus 1 is 3, 4 plus 8 is 12. So you can also divide by both the number by 3. Okay. Now cut it 3. The 7. Now 48 is cut by 3. That means 3 2s are 6. It is 16. Okay, the number is minus 16 divided by 7. Okay, this is the standard form. Now we go for our next question. You should see The next question is product of any given rational number with its inverse is always 1. How it possible? We will see this. Now you should see 5 upon 7 is divided by 5 upon 7. So we can write this number as a 5 upon 7 is multiplied with 7 upon 5. Okay, and this 7 should cut with 7 and 5 cut with 5. So 5 cut with 5, 7 cut with 7. That is, your answer is 1. So it is said that always a reciprocal of any number is when the product of any number, the product of any number with its reciprocal. Reciprocal is just opposite number. So always give 1, and 1 is a multiplicative identity. What is this? Multiplicative identity. Now we see what is additive identity and what is multiplicative identity. Now you see additive identity. What is this? 0. Because whenever in any number we add 0, the result is always the same number. So 0 is a additive identity. Okay. Now a plus 0 equal to a equal to 0 plus a, या 0 में किसी नंबर को भी जोड़ा जाए तो always that number is result. Okay. 2 plus 0 equal to 2 or 0 plus 2 equal to also 2. So the 0 is a additive identity. What is this? 0 is additive identity. Okay. Now we have to find out the additive inverse. So what is additive inverse? The additive inverse is a number which add in a number, that result is your additive identity. Again you understand, a number is add with additive inverse. Okay, this is additive inverse. This is your number. So a number whenever add with additive inverse, the result is always additive identity. So you can directly say additive inverse is a negative of given number. Is it clear? The negative of given number. That means a plus minus a equal to 0 or minus a plus a equal to 0. According to numbers, 2 plus minus 2 equal to 0 or minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0. Again we will understand through an example. Now find additive inverse of given numbers. Okay, the number is given minus 1 upon 3. So what is the additive inverse of this number? Negative of this number. So we can write additive inverse. That means minus of minus number. Okay, minus of given number. That is also equal to minus. Whenever we open the bracket, the minus multiplied with minus, the number become plus, and this is 1 upon 3. So what is the additive inverse of this number? This is the additive inverse of this number 1 upon 3. You can also check your answer. So you can multiply both the number, minus 1 upon 3 multiplied by plus 1 upon, additive is addition. So minus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. Whenever you add this number, so you have to take this denominators are same, so you can take common denominator is 3. So minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 upon 3, and that is 0. So you prove your answer that your additive inverse is plus 1 upon 3. Now again see the another example, 9 upon 2. You have to find out additive inverse. Okay, so what is the additive inverse? Additive inverse is minus of given number. That is minus 9 upon 2. Is it clear? Minus 9 upon 2. You can also take proof for this number. So you can add both the number 9 plus 2 plus minus 9 upon 2. Okay. What was? The denominators are same. तो you should take common denominator 9 plus minus multiply and then become minus 9 is equal to 0 upon 2, that is 0. So your answer is right. Now this is the additive inverse and additive identity. Now we are going for the multiplicative identity and multiplicative inverse. What is the multiplicative identity? Multiplicative identity is our 1. 0 is our additive identity and multiplicative identity is 1. Okay. Now we multiply a number with 1, the number remains same. Whenever we multiply identity with any number, the number will remain same. Okay. Now 5 multiplied by 1 equal to 5, or 1 multiplied by 5 equal to 5. Okay. Now we will see the multiplicative inverse. What is multiplicative inverse? So multiplicative inverse is just the reciprocal of that number. What is this? Reciprocal of that number. Okay. Now what is the multiplicative inverse of a? It is reciprocal, that means इसको उल्टा करेंगे हम 1 upon a and multiply both the name. तो you should get multiplicative identity. Okay. या reciprocal को multiply with number करेंगे तो you should get identity. So that is multiplicative inverse. Now 7 multiplied with 1 upon 7 we will get 1. So 1 upon 7 is a multiplicative inverse of 7. Okay. 1 upon 7 is multiplied with 7. So 7 is a multiplicative inverse of 1 upon 7. Okay. Now we will go for two question of multiplicative inverse. The numbers are given is 1 upon 5. So we have to find out the multiplicative inverse of this number. So you just multiplicative inverse. So what is the multiplicative inverse? Is the reciprocal of given number. So you should go for reciprocal. What is the reciprocal? Reciprocal is just opposite the number, just उल्टा करना है number को. So what is this? This is the multiplicative inverse of this number. Okay. यहाँ just हमने इस number को उल्टा कर दिया है. Now you can check your answer also. So you should multiply both the number, that is 1 upon 5 multiply with 5 upon 1. Multiply both the numerator 1 into 5, 5 into 1, that is 5, 5 5 से कट जाएगा. Your answer is 1. This is 1 is multiplicative identity. तो जब भी जिस नंबर के अंदर नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करने पर मल्टीप्लिकेटिव आइडेंटिटी आती है तो वे दोनों नंबर एक दूसरे के रेसिप्रोकल या मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स होते हैं. ओके. नाउ वी विल गो फॉर द अनदर एग्जांपल, दैट इज -5 upon 6. ओके. तो you have to find out multiplicative inverse. So again you should write multiplicative inverse. Okay. What is the multiplicative inverse? Just opposite of this number. What is the opposite? Opposite 6 upon -5. 6 upon -5. But you should place -5 on above side. So that means the number is -6 divided by 5. So -6 divided by 5 is a multiplicative inverse of -5 upon 6. Okay. Now you should check your answer. So now you should check. So you should multiply both the digit. That means -5 divided by 6 multiplied with -6 divided by 5. Okay. Now multiply both the numerator and both the denominator. So -5 is multiplied with -6 divided by 6 multiplied with 5. Okay. Now you multiply both the minus number, the number should become plus. Minus multiplied with minus is plus. Now 5 multiplied by 6 equal to 30 divided by 6 multiplied by 5 30. 30 से 30 कट जाएगा और your answer is 1. And what is 1? 1 is your multiplicative identity. So this is proof that this number is reciprocal of this number. Okay. Thank you so much. और एक चीज़ का ध्यान रखना, हम लोग डेली क्लास 8 के लिए आपका मंडे, ट्यूसडे ऑफ रहेगा, मंडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे एंड सैटरडे। ये चारों दिन आपके मैथ्स की क्लास चलेगी एट 4:30 PM। ये डेली चलेगी क्लास। और भी कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो यू कैन आस्क मी ऑन दिस नंबर आल्सो हैव गिवन 9887420468। और यदि आपको वीडियोस अगर फेसबुक लिंक पे देखने में प्रॉब्लम आ रही हो तो यू कैन आल्सो सी इट इन आवर यूट्यूब चैनल ऑन यूट्यूब विद द नेम ऑफ न्यू स्टेप एकेडमी। Thank you so much.